Hey guys, back at you with update number 5. This is all fountains and novelties. I'll start on the left here. This fountain, this is a ballerina ball. We have Ocean Theater. That was really sweet. I did that demo last year and I ended up breaking it, so I bought a new one. So we got Puppy Fountain. Then we got Koi Pond. Or Koi Pond. Then I got a Night Saber. We got a Keg Party. These are by brothers. This is Crackadola. We got Ecstasy, a Highballer, a Hurly Burly, a Totally Circus, and a Booby Trap. Then we got a Rapper and a Rocker, Loud Rhythm. It's a two set series. It's a 3-set series. We got Triplet A, Triplet B, and Triplet C. Then we'll go into the novelties. I got a 12-pack of tanks with report. I have 3 USA smokes. I have 3 red, white, and blue hand grenades. I have a pack of Noisy Boys. I have a pack of Ladybugs. And I have a pack of USA Jumbo Gyros, or Gyros. Alright, that's what I got for novelties. Novelties, fountains. That'll be update number 5. Like, share, subscribe if you like my content. Thank you.